Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I did this makeup look. It is a very natural makeup look and I love natural makeup looks, and this is literally what I do when I go out. This one is a mask fit makeup. A makeup which is fit for masks. This makeup is not gonna budge, this makeup is not gonna get transferred to your mask. And if you spot me somewhere outside, this is how I will look. Okay, so now let's get started. So I'm going to use the Dermaco 20% Vitamin C Serum. I have been using this for quite some time now. I just use 3 to 5 drops of it and I apply it on my face. I first pat it and then massage it in an upward and outward motion until it gets absorbed. The vitamin C in it, it gives a brightening effect to the skin and it treats pigmentation and also treats fine lines. It has anti-aging benefits and it evens out the skin tone. It's got hyaluronic acid and ferulic acid. So what hyaluronic acid does is it retains moisture and gives hydration to the skin, and it also reduces fine lines. And ferulic acid boosts the effect of hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. This is non-comedogenic, that means it does not clog your pores and it is suitable for all skin types. It does not feel dry after application and it does not feel oily after application. It just gives the right amount of hydration to your skin. And in case I apply it during the daytime, I make sure that I follow it up with a sunscreen. I have been using this since the past couple of weeks and my skin used to feel very dehydrated and became dull because of constant application of makeup. Since I shoot a lot of makeup videos, the brightening effect due to this serum is legit, and look at the glow. My skin has been loving it. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And I think that will be it for the prep. I don't wear foundation every time I go out. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade Medium. I'm going to apply it under my eyes and I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. Next, I'm going to take the Sugar Powder Play Banana Compact and I am going to set my under eye area, just my under eye area, so that it doesn't crease. Now taking the Lakme Micro Brow Perfector, I am going to do my brows and I am just going to fill them in. Like, I want everything to look very, very natural. One very, very important step before you apply the mascara is to curl your lashes. Many people skip this step, but I cannot tell you how important this is. Especially for people who have straight lashes like me. I literally have like straight lashes. So I need to curl my lashes before I go in with the mascara. And this guy does an amazing job. This is from Colorbar. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mascara. You can use whatever mascara you want to use. I love the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I love Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. Those are my favorites. If you have Huda Beauty, go ahead with it. But recently I've been loving this mascara. It makes my lashes very, very fluttery. I'm not gonna apply mascara on my lower lash line. Sometimes I do wear black kajal, sometimes I wear brown kajal. It just depends on my mood. Like if it's a daytime, then I prefer a brown kajal. If I have to go out in the evening, then I prefer black. Today I'm gonna wear this brown kajal. This is from Nykaa. This is the Glamoreyes kajal in the shade Bronze Beam. And I'm just going to apply it very, very close to my upper lash line. And just smudge it a little with the fingers. You don't need any brush. And I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line and just bring it down a little and then smudge it with my fingers. Do you see the difference? So I'm done with the eyes. I'm not going to do anything else. I don't wear lens when I go out, so I'm not going to wear lens in the video as well. I don't apply blush. If you want, you can apply blush. Now for the lips, I always prefer wearing something smudge proof since I'll be wearing a mask. In case you're wondering what I'm drinking, these days this has become my must-have and a magic potion. A funny story, I really wanted to focus on my vitamin C intake, so I ordered kiwi, I ordered musambi, I ordered amla, and I kept it in the refrigerator. Guess what? Kiwi is too sour for me. I'm not a sour girl. I just cannot take anything sour. Kiwi is too sour for me. I just took one bite and said goodbye to it. The amla and musambi got rotten as I did not get any time to juice it out. So I had to think of some alternative. Now just before Pujo, Durga Pujo in Kolkata, one of my friends suggested this. Let me show you what it looks like. 1 second. Since I have a time crunch and I also need vitamin C, so I take 10 ml of this, which is 99% amla juice, and I mix it in a glass of water and I drink it daily 30 minutes before my meal. It is that easy. So if you're in a time crunch like me, this is the perfect solution. It's also great for hair and skin since it helps in collagen production. It's gluten-free, sugar-free, and there's no artificial flavor or color, and it's sugar-free. So if you're diabetic, it's one less thing to worry about. It's rich in fiber, it boosts metabolism, and it helps in digestion. In case you're wondering what the name is, this is by New Herbs. It is 99.9% amla juice, and I've got the 1 liter bottle, which is priced at 220 rupees, and I am down till here. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this and be right back. Okay, now moving on to lipstick. I'm gonna give you a couple of options. You can go with the Forever 52 Velvet Matte Lipsticks. They don't budge. Next is the NYX Lingerie Lipstick. They don't budge too. I'll link everything below in the description box. Then there's this L'Oreal Paris Signature Rouge Signature Collection, I guess. They don't budge. Then we have the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipsticks and the K-Beauty Matte Lipsticks. They don't budge. Also the Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color, they stay on for a long time after you let it set. I think I'm gonna go with this one. This is the NYX Lingerie. It is in the shade Exotic, and I'm just going to dab it on my lips. Just a couple of dots and then blend it with my fingers. So I want my lips to look like very rosy and natural at the same time. Last but not the least, a makeup setting spray. During these times when you're wearing a mask, a makeup setting spray can be your best friend. I've got the MAC Fix Plus and the NYX Dewy Finish makeup setting spray. I kind of like both. Today I think I'm gonna use the NYX one, and I'm just gonna spray it all over my face and let it set. What I love about this is it gives a beautiful glow to the skin, and this will not let your makeup budge. Also, your makeup's gonna stay intact for a very, very long time. I will add a little bit of blush just to show you how it looks. You can add a little bit of blush. The blush I just used is from Estee Lauder. This is the Sculpting Blush and Highlighter Duo, and this is in the shade Coral Fever. If you want, you can take your blush and apply it on top of your eyelids as an eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna wear the mask, and your makeup is not gonna budge, it's gonna stay intact. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do give it a thumbs up. Also guys, subscribe to my channel. 80% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Be safe, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.